Welcome back to a brand new video. Today I have a brand new video about a stock that went absolutely insane today, up 299% during the normal trading hours, down a little bit after hours, you can see here, but sitting at $5.70 at the time of this video. Trading volume, you can see the average trading volume for Neurosense Therapeutics, ticker NRSN, is normally 610,000 and today had 163 million trades of NRSN stock. Absolutely parabolic day. Yahoo Finance bullish pattern is detected as well. If we take a look really quickly at the chart, the 2-year chart, I mean, this is an absolute explosion in price here. You can see your March 13th started to kind of climb a little bit, and now just really going absolutely parabolic. So I just want to go over the stock, over the company, give my opinions on it, kind of talk about why specifically this stock has gone crazy today, and then get your guys' opinions in the comments below. But let's not waste any time. Let's just get right into it. So Neurosense Therapeutics, new hope on the horizon. Neurosense was born with the intent to answer the huge unmet need of patients with amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, or otherwise known as ALS, with the understanding that this devastating disease must be addressed from a new perspective. Neurosense Therapeutics is a clinical stage drug development company advancing a groundbreaking treatment for people that live with ALS, as well as other neurodegenerative diseases. They are focused on creating combined therapeutic strategies targeting the multiple pertinent mechanisms in these complex diseases. The quote here: "Never believe that a few caring people can change the world, for indeed that's all who ever have." Right, and to do a little bit more of a deeper dive, Neurosense was founded in 2017 following a chance meeting with Shay Rishoni, who's actually an ALS patient. During the meeting, Alon Ben Noon, was inspired by Shay, who served as the CEO of a nonprofit organization for ALS, and thus Neurosense Therapeutic was born. Neurosense is currently preparing for a phase 2b/3 clinical trial using Prime C in patients with ALS. They're also commencing research into other possible indications for the drug, including Alzheimer's and Parkinson's diseases. Additionally, we are studying the mechanisms of action and relevant biomarkers for these diseases. So definitely, they're working on finding a solution for ALS, which is obviously, like they said, a devastating disease that affects the neurological system in the human body. A good amount of people actually do have ALS in the United States, around the world. This is obviously a very, very important issue that they are looking to solve. But let's talk about more specifically why this stock went crazy today. Neurosense, you can see here, shares surge over 400% as the FDA clears initiating pharmacokinetic study of Prime C. So we really see this happening with biopharmaceutical companies. They can really surge on just some simple news, or definitely an FDA approval, or things like that. Clinical stage passing to the next clinical stage. We've seen pharmaceutical companies just go crazy on generally smaller news. But you can see here, Neurosense NRSN has received clearance from the FDA to initiate a pharmacokinetic study of Prime C in healthy adult subjects. Prime C is a novel extended release oral formulation composed of a fixed dose combination of ciprofloxacin and celecoxib. Prime C targets several key mechanisms of the amyotrophic lateral scoliosis that contribute to motor neuron degeneration, inflammation, iron accumulation, and impaired RNA regulation to inhibit the ALS's progression potentially. Prime C was granted orphan drug designation by the FDA and the European Medicines Agencies, otherwise known as the EMA. Neurosense completed a phase 2A study that met its safety and efficacy endpoints, including reducing functional and respiratory deterioration and statistically significant changes in ALS-related biological biomarkers. The company plans to initiate a phase 2B study in quarter 2 of this year. We are now in quarter 2 of 2022. Neurosense recently announced the third stage of its collaboration with Massachusetts General Hospital to determine further the biological changes in ALS-related pathologies and the effect of Prime C on relevant targets. Results from this study are expected in quarter 2 of 2022. Neuroscience is also advancing programs in Alzheimer's for its drug candidate Cognic and Parkinson's disease for the Stabilis. Data from the preclinical studies are expected in H2 of 2022, and it expects to initiate clinical studies in these indications in H1 2023. NRSN shares are up 387% at $7.59 during the market session on the last check on Monday. Now, this stock has gone absolutely crazy today off this news. Again, very, very promising news, as anytime a pharmaceutical company gets FDA approval for a drug that is already so far into the pipeline and, kind of in the clinical, in these deep stages of clinical trials, I think we see surges of these stocks start to go crazy. $6.23 is what it ended the regular trading day, $5.70 after hours. Let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about ticker NRSN. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, drop a like on this video, and as always, have a great day.